what the hell is going on here? This drone is not attacking me. How is this possible, guys? Look, this drone is not attacking me. I think that I'm in the bed, that's why this drone is not attacking me. But that is not possible. Let's try to attack him. He will attack us. He's not attacking us. Oh, that's strange. This drone is not attacking me. How is this possible? I don't know anything about this thing. I experienced in this first time, but I'm quite sure that this is not happening in this drawing craft. Oh, it's not attacking me, guys. I'm attacking it. It's not attacking me. Oh, let's go there and see if this attack us. It's not attacking me. Let's jump and see. It's not attacking me. Oh, let's go there. Oh my god, it's attacking me. Oh, it's attacking me. Let's go back there. Oh, it's attacking. It stopped. Stop attacking. It stopped attacking. That's strange. Let's attack him. Let's kill him. Take this, you drone zombie. Take this. It's not attacking me, guys. That's very strange. That's very odd. He died. You know what's happening here? Please comment.